Boom, done. Just sent Uber a lawsuit. No, I'm just kidding. I didn't, no. Today's guys, if you guys didn't know what's going on, I'm gonna share with you the first lawsuit from an Uber driver from the Bay Area. Just sued Uber for misclassification. Now that AB5 has passed, Governor Newsom already said he's gonna sign the bill, which will go into effect in January 2020. And AB5 bill, this will reclassify, well, Uber says they're exempt from it, but basically it's gonna reclassify gig workers as employees rather than independent contractors, so as long as the drivers fall inside of the usual course of the business, which Uber is saying that they don't now, which is a whole mess. But anyways, this is the Rideshare Hub. Sorry, I know I'm a little out of the ordinary today because I just have so much on my mind, but I just wanted to sit down and talk with you guys, just chat for a little bit and go over this case, lawsuits, and why they are so important, and how Uber settled 13,600 drivers lawsuits this year already for $20 million, and why that's really not that much money for Uber. Uber guys, they have billions of dollars. They probably get $20 million every day just from their stocks, right? I don't even know really how stocks work, but I'm gonna jump into that. But before I do, if you guys can do me one simple favor, I am trying, if you guys don't know me, a little bit about myself. Hi, I'm Dylan, nice to formally meet you. Yes, a little left-handed handshake. I am trying to become a part-time YouTuber. You know, I'm just doing it very briefly right now. You know, I work for Rideshare, I work in technology. I'm trying to do my best out here, guys, but it would be great if I could, you know, bring you guys better content. I know some of these videos are just, you know, I'm really like struck for time. Sometimes I just film a video and I don't even have time to edit it. So if you guys could help me out and hit the like button, then that would help me become a better, more, you know, I would be able to spend more time, because that way I would know that you guys actually liked the video. So give it a thumbs up to help me out. And yeah, also if you want to be notified when I do post videos, you can go ahead and subscribe and turn on post notifications. That would really help a lot. So you get the best rideshare knowledge. What's better than knowledge? What's better than a Lamborghini? Knowledge. Shout out to you if you know where that is from. But here we go, guys. So Uber driver sues over employment status, citing California's AB5 bill. This is by Caroline Said. Caroline said what? What did you say, Caroline? I didn't hear you. Just kidding. That was a joke, guys. Thumbs up if you got that joke. September 12th. That was today. Updated at 1:39 p.m. Look how breaking news I am, guys. 1:39 and it's 1:57. So I'm literally reading this 18 minutes after it was published. This guy right here. Sick glasses. Are those Gucci glasses? Look at him. He's like, bruh. He's like, man, I like them glasses, man. That guy's like, bruh. YouTuber. Tuber. Look, it says tuber. It almost looks like YouTuber, but it really means Lyft and Uber. Did you guys ever notice that? Okay, I don't think putting emojis on your sign is like gonna help a lot. Like, no offense, but if you're trying to like get your voice heard, I wouldn't draw like a sick sign. I wouldn't draw like a sick emoji. I don't know. That's just me though. Like if you're trying to, there's a certain line when you're presenting yourself and wanting, yes, you want to get yourself heard, but at the same time you want people to take you seriously. And putting little dollar sign emojis and sick emojis isn't really helping. Like, I mean, yeah, it's helping that you're out there, but at a certain point, like, people, it's more funny than, I mean, people are gonna laugh at that. This is better. Stop the exploitation. And this one, drivers. That, I think those are better signs. Yeah, that's a good sign. Yes, an AB5. Yeah, that's probably better. Look, I think that guy might even be laughing at his sign. I don't know. Is he holding it? I don't know. Whatever. But anyways, so Dozens of supporters of AB5, a measure that clarifies when companies can label workers as independent contractors, rally at the Capitol in Sacramento on Wednesday. Oh, so they actually rallied yesterday. Attorney Shannon Liss Riordan speaks to the reporters in Boston. April, she's writing a... Oh, so she's the lawyer, I guess, representing the driver who's suing. And then I'm going to get into the settlement afterwards. So a Bay Area ride-hail driver has kicked off an unexpected flood of lawsuits over employee status, even before a bill tightening the rules for when workers are employees has become state law. Yeah, it hasn't even become law yet, and he's already putting up a lawsuit. And this was probably going to be the beginning of a lot of lawsuits. An Antonio Uber driver late Wednesday filed a proposed class action case against the ride-hailing company for misclassifying her and other California drivers as independent contractors rather than employees. The case in U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California cites AB5 legislation that passed the state Senate and Assembly this week and is expected to be signed by Governor Gavin Newsom. Oh, just got an email. Is it Uber? No. Stupid ad. I don't want $25 off. Although AB5 won't take effect until 2020, it codifies an existing legal precedent, not president, but precedent, a 28, do you guys know that word? I learned that word in high school. It means setting an example, pretty much. A 2018 California Supreme Court decision called Dynamics, both AB5 and Dynamics make it harder for companies to claim workers as freelancers. They lay out a simple ABC test that says workers are employees if they perform tasks under a company's control, their work is integral to the company's business, and C, they do not have independent enterprises in that trade. So this is the attorney talking. She said, "We brought this complaint to ensure Uber complies with California law," says Shannon, a Boston attorney who has already filed numerous class actions. Oh, so I guess if you want to sue Uber, hit her up. I mean, whatever. Postmates and gig companies over misclassification. Liz Riordan is also seeking the congressional seat held by Senator... Oh, so she's trying to run for a congressional seat. Uber, which already said it expects to fight lawsuits and arbitration claims over driver classification, reiterated that it thinks it can win. So this was Uber's response. Oh, about the lawsuit, they already responded. As we have said, under AB5, the classifications would now be different in California, but that doesn't mean we won't pass the test. Yeah, so the test is different in California. Tony West say that the company will not reclassify workers, but instead will contest their status in courts and in arbitration. Uber plans to argue that drivers' work is outside the usual course of Uber's business, which is serving as a technology platform for several different types of marketplaces. Yeah, that was basically Uber's response to the AB5, saying that, look, drivers are not part of the normal course of business. We are a platform for several different technologies, several different types of marketplaces, which, I don't know, that's their response. In my opinion, drivers are the main part of the business, but at the same time, I do understand that Uber is doing several different things, like even like driverless cars, and like that's their main part of the business, like moving forward, I feel like. So kind of does make sense. But they also do like Uber Eats and Uber Freight, like the trucking business. And so, I mean, they do a lot of different things, but so I could see where they're coming from with that. Plenty of other attorneys are likely to file misclassification suits against Uber and other companies that continue to treat workers as independent contractors. In fact, AB5 empowers public attorneys to sue over misclassification. City attorneys of San Francisco and LA have expressed openness in doing so. Meanwhile, private attorneys will also be lining up to sue, said several. Do you guys know the difference between private and public attorneys? Here we go. Uber settled a previous misclassification case with Liz Riordan involving 13, so she's already represented 13,600 drivers. This girl is like, who is this lady? She's American labor attorney. She is best known for her class action cases against companies such as Uber, FedEx, and Starbucks. Born in 1969. 69. It's a little awkward, so we'll get straight to the point. Oh, they want money. Sorry, Wikipedia, I don't use you that much. Nor do I have any extra cash, okay? I'm an Uber driver. I'm not a rich guy. Dang. So I guess she's the one. But yeah, $20 million, 13,000 drivers. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's a lot more lawsuits coming up because of this whole thing. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a thumbs up on this video. Boom. Smash the thumbs up button again to support me to making better videos. And also subscribe for more content, rideshare content. After all of this news passes, I'm going to get back into doing videos on how to make more money in my usual course of like being a better rideshare driver. But I just really, let me know if you guys like these news type videos. I just wanted to get this news out because I think it is really important. It is integral to, you know, our work as Uber drivers. I think we should know. And I know a lot of people, like, I go to YouTube to like look at news now. I don't even go on like, well, I guess I do articles just for this channel, but for other stuff, I just look on YouTube. So I know a lot of you guys just do YouTube, so I wanted to get this out there so you guys know. Because like I said, this is knowledge, you know. We all should be getting smarter together. All right, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. I will talk to y'all soon. Thank you guys. Bye.